So over here in this document, if I were to select this particular text and press Ctrl B right here, then it bolts it out. Select out this text, press Ctrl I, and then it italicizes it out. So using keyboard shortcuts in any application like this speeds up the workflow without you having to go ahead and then, let's say for example, select this, go and click on I with your mouse, which is time consuming in the long run. If you want to know the other keyboard shortcuts like this in Terabox word editor, you can simply go around over here onto the keyboard shortcut guide, and here you can see that there's different keyboard shortcuts. For example, the strike through is Ctrl Shift and S. So I can go ahead and select this, Ctrl Shift S, and then you get a strike through. Similarly, you can see that there's many different shortcut keys right here, even for the titles, for the quotes, as you can see right here, for background, as you can see right here, for superscript, subscript, and so forth, as you can see just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and use the word editor keyboard shortcuts as you like inside of Terabox word editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.